Just a week after our warnings about the growing risks of space debris, the inevitable has happened. On October 19, 2024, the Intelsat 33e satellite suffered a catastrophic anomaly, leading to its explosion in geostationary orbit. This communication satellite, launched in 2016, was responsible for providing services across Europe, Asia, and Africa. The U.S. Space Force confirmed the satellite had broken into multiple pieces, now tracking around 20 fragments, while Russia's space agency reports over 80 debris fragments from the explosion. The impact of this incident is immediate. Customers have lost power and communication services, and Intelsat is scrambling to redirect them to alternative providers. But the real issue here is much larger. As space debris accumulates, the danger of collisions increases exponentially. Operators are conducting ongoing assessments to ensure that other spacecraft remain safe, but each new piece of debris adds to an already congested orbit. This event further underscores the escalating risks to future missions. As more debris fills Earth's orbit, launching satellites and conducting repairs becomes even more dangerous. With nearly 100 new debris fragments now drifting through space, the situation only worsens. Space travel, satellite communication, and critical repairs could soon be put on indefinite hold as the risks of collisions continue to grow. This isn't just a one-off incident, it's a glimpse into the future we've been warning about. Space is becoming an increasingly hazardous place, and without serious action, we may soon reach the point where safe access to space is no longer possible.